What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aaron Sports Cards. As you can see, today I've just received my monthly subscription of the Rookie Card Explosion box, and this is volume 21. So let's go ahead and slice into this thing and see what we got this month. All right. So here's our packs. Looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. Okay. Place those here. And here's our list. Take a quick look at that. And then we'll go down the key rookies as we go. Go down the list. Okay, so first up, we got a pack of 2012 Topps Gypsy Queen. And the main card that we would be looking for in here is a Mike Trout second year, but I'm sure there's probably some other pretty cool cards in here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. First card is going to be a Zimmerman, McDonald, Phil Hughes. That's pretty cool. It's the guy who does the YouTube channel. Looks like we got some kind of... We got a Harrison here. We got a Glove Stories of Ken Griffey Jr. That's kind of cool. Prince Fielder Moonshots. Ooh. We got a Willie McCovey, Holiday, and Gonzalez. And our mini is Andre Dawson. So that's kind of cool. Oh, this one's numbered to 99. Not bad. Okay. So next up, here we have 2017 Topps Heritage Minor League. In here we'll be looking for Juan Soto, Fernando Tatis, Bo Bichette, Eloy Jimenez, Gleyber Torres, Peter Alonso, and we're also looking for autos of Acuna, Jimenez, Torres, and Alonso, and there's also short prints of some of those guys, as well as Vlad Guerrero Jr., Robles, and Rogers. So let's take a look and see how lucky we can get. We got a Trent Clark, Colby Allard. Ooh, there's an Ozzy Albies. That's pretty cool. Rafael Devers. All right. Not bad. TJ Zook, Zach Birdie, and a Tyler Badamo. So not too bad with the Albies and the Devers in the same pack. That was a pretty good pack right there. All right. Our next pack is going to be 2017 Topps Series 1. In here we're looking for Judge, Bregman, Moncada, and Benintendi. This looks like a hanger pack. Okay, first up we got Michael Bourne, Hector Santiago. There's the Alex Bregman rookie. Don't really like the player, but not a bad pull. We got Chris Davis here, Corey Dickerson, Max Scherzer, Francisco Cervelli, Danny Espinosa, a Twins card, Justin Upton, Marco Estrada, Tyson Ross, and cardboard. All right, well, not too bad. Can't really stand Alex Bregman, but I know there's a lot of people out there that are fans of him, so it does hold some kind of value for someone. Felipe Rivero. I'm sorry, this is the 2019 Topps Series 1. Oh, I'm sorry. No, this is 18 Topps Series 1. We're looking for Devers, Albies, Buehler, Flaherty, Robles, Andujar, and Verdugo. And image variations of Devers, Albies, Robles, Frazier, and Willie Calhoun. Got a little sidetrack there, the Bregman talk. Okay, we got Mike Fiers. We have a Avisel Garcia, Nolan Arenado, Alex Wood, Joe Mauer, Milwaukee Brewers, Boston Red Sox. Here we have Jay Bruce and AJ Pollock. Okay. So nothing too great in that pack. Let's move on to 2019 Bowman Hangar pack. Looking for chrome cards of Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Marco Luciano, and Joey Bart. Also looking for refractors and colored parallels and autos of Franco, Rodriguez, Luciano, and Bart. The odds of pulling any autos out of here are pretty slim, but it is possible. We got a Justin Verlander, Jose Barrios, Eric Hosmer, Tuki Toussaint rookie, Brad Keller, Nicholas Castellanos, Bruce Turang. I guess that counts as one of our chromes. Nico Horner, Noelvi Marte, first chrome, and Evan White chrome, Ryan Mountcastle, and Ryan Weathers. So nothing too crazy in there. Okay, next up we got Heritage High Number 2019. In here we'll be looking for Fernando Tatis, Vlad Guerrero Jr., Eloy Jimenez, Pete Alonso, so on and so forth. So we got Matt Davidson, Jake Cave rookie, Marwin Gonzalez, Martin Maldonado. We got a Victor Robles chrome card. That's pretty cool. Christian Yelich, Ryan Presley, Wilmer Flores, and Terrence Gore. Okay. Let's see what we have here in this pack of 2019 Series 1. Base and parallels of Kyle Tucker, Brandon Lau, Ramon Laureano, Michael Kopech. Image variations of Tucker, Kopech, and Soto, and Acuna. Second year for those last two. Sam Tuvala, I can't say that. Jose Ramirez, Luke Weaver. There's a Jeff McNeil rookie, not too bad. He's having a pretty good season. Angels, Yankees, Blue Jays. There's a Pujols throwback reprint. We got one of those Evolution Ballpark, Fenway Park. I think these are numbered. Yeah, this one's numbered to 150. Next up, we got Christian Yelich, league leaders, Jake Arrieta, Derek Rodriguez, Matt Olson, and Luis Severino. Okay, so a couple good cards in there. Not too bad so far. Next pack, we got a pack of, what is this? 2020 Topps Chrome. Base and refractors of Luis Robert, Bo Bichette, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux, Jordan Alvarez, so on and so forth. So let's see if we can get lucky and pull one of those Luis Roberts everyone's going crazy for. We got a Danny Jansen, Jorge Soler, Tyler Glasnow, and Dan Vogelbach. So nothing really too great in there. Next pack, we have a pack of opening day from 2020. Pretty much looking for the Luis Robert short print out of here. Carlos Correa, Brendan McKay, rookie, Tim Anderson, Emilio Pagan, Justin Verlander, Yadier Molina, and opening day card. All right, last two packs. Yeah, let's do this one. This 2020 Series 1. Looking for Bo Bichette, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux, Jordan Alvarez, Randy Arozarena, and variations of those same guys. Let's see what we got. John Gray, Michael Brazeau, Tyler White. We got a Dustin May rookie, not bad. We got the Omar Navarez, Reese McGuire, Matt Thias, Dan Vogelbach, Dodgers Hollywood Heroes, Big Air, Big Hair, Austin Barnes, insert Kike, and future star of Michael Chavis. All right, last pack. Wish me luck on this last pack. Let's see if I can pull another Luis Robert. That'd be a good way to end this break with. Okay, we got a Corey Seager, Ronald Guzman, Rockies, Simmons, Zach Eflin, Yu Chang, Carlos Martinez, Jeff Matthias, Nick Whitgreen, Jan Gomes, Josh Reddick, Marcell Ozuna Gold, so that's not too bad. And last two cards, Colton Wong and a Kwang Hyung Kim. All right, so that wraps that up. Let me go ahead and do a quick little recap of the cards that I felt were worth putting aside. All right, first up, we got this Andre Dawson, pretty cool mini card from the Gypsy Queen. This one's numbered to 99. And then we got this Phil Hughes from Phil's Polls, Gypsy Queen card. Pretty cool. Noel V. Marte, first Bowman Chrome. An Alex Bregman rookie card. We got an Ozzie Albies minor league. Pretty awesome. We got this Yu Chang rookie card. We got this Marcell Ozuna gold card. We got the Dustin May rookie card. We've got this Ballpark Evolution of Fenway Park, 150-year gold stamp numbered to 150. Got the Jeff McNeil rookie card. Pretty sweet. We got this Victor Robles chrome card, not numbered. And then we got this Rafael Devers minor league card. So not so bad this month. I've seen some other guys that do a little bit better, but I have to say for myself that this was actually turned out to be a little bit more of a successful break than the last few times, which I'm pretty happy about. So anyways, thanks a lot. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Take care. Have a good one. Peace.